Hi everyone, today we are diving into one of the most important organs in your body, your heart. This amazing organ keeps your entire body alive and functioning. So, let's explore how it works, what it is made of, and why it is so essential. Students, the heart is a muscular organ about the size of your fist, located slightly to the left of your chest. It's responsible for pumping blood throughout your body, supplying oxygen and nutrients to your tissues, and remove waste products. The heart is a part of your circulatory system, which also includes your blood vessels like arteries and veins. Let's take a closer look at the heart's structure. It has four chambers, two on top called atria and two at the bottom called ventricles. The right side of your heart pumps blood to the lungs to pick up oxygen, while the left side pumps oxygen-rich blood to the rest of your body. Students, each heartbeat is like a coordinated dance. The atria and ventricles work together to pump blood. There are also valves between the chambers to ensure blood flows in the right direction. These valves act like doors that open and close with each heartbeat. Students, first deoxygenated blood, which is blood without oxygen, enters the right atrium through the large veins called the superior and inferior vena cava. Then it's pushed up into the right ventricles, which pumps it to the lungs through the pulmonary artery. In the lungs, the blood picks up oxygen and releases carbon dioxide. Students, once the blood is oxygenated, it travels back to the heart through the pulmonary veins into the left atrium. From there, it's pushed into the left ventricle, which then pumps it out through the aorta. Aorta is the body's largest artery, which is sending oxygen-rich blood to the entire body. Students, have you ever wondered what causes your heartbeat? The sound you hear, lub dub, is made by the heart valves closing as the blood moves through the chambers. The heart has its own electrical system that controls this process. It starts at the sinoatrial node, often called the pacemaker, which sends electrical signals to the heart, telling it when to beat. On average, your heart beats about 60 to 100 times per minute when you are resting. That's over 1 lakh beats every day. Students, your heart works hard every day, so it's important to keep it healthy. You can do this by eating a balanced diet full of fruits, vegetables, and whole grains. Avoiding junk food, sugary drinks, and too much salt will help you keep your heart in top shape. Regular exercise is another key to keep your heart healthy. Activities like running, swimming, cycling, or even walking can strengthen your heart. Aim for at least 30 minutes of exercise most day of the week. Lastly, avoid smoking and try to manage stress. Both can put extra strain on your heart. So, here are some fun facts about your heart. Did you know that the heart pumps around 2000 gallons of the blood every day? And during an average lifetime, it will beat about 2.5 billion times? Another cool fact is your heart is strong enough to squirt blood up to 30 feet if all the blood vessels in your body were lined up in a row. So now you know just how important and incredible your heart is. It's always working 24/7 to keep you alive. Take care of it by eating well, exercising, and living a healthy lifestyle. Thanks for joining me on this heart journey. See you next time. Bye bye.